video. This is from Mom and Dad. I think I have a rough idea what it is. I think this is a quarantine care package. Not even in the field either. They weren't too kind to the box. Somebody trying to get into it there. Probably just sitting underneath some heavy stuff. I made a couple of comments on previous quarantine videos, so I think I have a sneaking suspicion that I know what this is. Oh yeah. So in my family, M&Ms are a staple. Grandma always had a bowl of peanut M&Ms on her coffee table. That's just Mom and Dad's house, they do the same, and that's one of the four major food groups in my family. So we had a big bag of regular. We got a big bag of peanut. We got a big bag of peanut butter. And we have a big bag of caramel. I think I am set for M&Ms. Even though I got a Safeway delivery yesterday. Of course, those were just, I wanted one of these, but they didn't have any. So I got two of the small, what they call party bags. I think I showed those in the video yesterday. I am set. I don't know if I've ever tried the caramel ones before. Maybe I have. Peanut butter been around for a while. Haven't had them in a bit. I like just the plain ones. Those are my favorites. But the peanuts are a second close. So. Cool. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Now that I have to go back to work, these have to sit here. Oh well. So, alrighty. Just a short one. Thanks for watching. Going back to work today. We're doing a driving to work video, so we'll get this one up real quick.